issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Licking County until 2:30 p.m. At 1:48 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Beechwood Trails, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Granville, Buckeye Lake, Heath, Newark. In addition, Kirkersville, Granville South, Hebron, Harbor Hills, Hanover, Brownsville, Toboso, and Grady are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following Interstate 70 between mile markers 116 and 142. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.